Good afternoon, everyone. Today let us discuss what is complement of a set, then how to find difference of two sets and De Morgan's laws. If we have a set A, then complement of a set A is denoted as A dash. Complement of a set A is denoted as A dash. Some people also write it like this, C for complement. It is a set which contains all elements other than A. This shows complement of set A. Complement of a set is a set which shows all elements other than A. If I have to define it as in set builder form, it contains all X such that X belongs to U, but X does not belong to A. That's complement of a set. That is all elements other than the set itself. This is all complement of a set A. So if I have to make a key of this Venn diagram, I will make a small box and show that this is a complement. Like in geography, when you draw maps and all, you make keys, right? So when you draw Venn diagrams, again we make keys. So this is complement of a set. If I see complement of a complement, it would be the set again, because complement of this would be this. So complement of a complement is the set again. If I take A intersection A dash, yes, this is A dash, right? What is common between A and A dash is null set. No element common. A intersection A dash, no element common. If I take union, A union A dash, union of A and A dash will be the universal set U, right? So these are the properties of complement of a set. Complement of a complement is the set again. A intersection A dash would be 5 and A union A dash would be universal set. Let's work on difference of two sets now. So if I look at difference means subtraction. Yes, difference of two sets. I am going to quote example also when I discuss difference of two sets. Suppose I want to find A minus B. A and B are two sets and I am going to find A minus B. A minus B contains all elements X such that X belongs to A, X does not belong to B. That means B is removed from A. So what portion of B is in A? This portion. It is in both, right? So B is removed from A, so that is, this is A minus B. I will denote it, label the diagram. This is A minus B. Yes, B removed from A. If I have to find B minus A, that is A removed from B. So if I find shade B minus A, it would be this blue shaded area. This would be B minus A. That's the difference between two sets. And you observe that the difference between two sets is not commutative. A minus B is not same as B minus A. So this contains all X such that X belongs to B, but X does not belong to A. X is not in A, but it's only in B. So A minus B is this, B minus A is this, right? And you understand A minus B is not same as B minus A. That is the difference of two sets. Now coming back to the De De Morgan's laws which we planned to discuss today, we have the laws by De Morgan, and they are A union B complement is A complement intersection B complement. A union B dash, that is complement, is A dash intersection B dash. That is the first law of De Morgan. I am going to again draw Venn diagram for it for LHS. So what I will do is, this is universal set, this is A, this is B, and this is A union B, right? You want A union B complement, so all portion except this. So I have this as the final result as A union B complement. Yes, and A union B complement, I am going to make a key. It is vertical blue lines, right? Now for RHS, if I draw the Venn diagram, so I have A complement intersection B complement. So I will go in stepwise manner. So this is A, this is B. A complement A dash is everything except A. Yes, so this is A dash. And then B dash, everything except B. So B dash would be this. The vertical blue lines would be B dash. Fine. Now you want intersection, common part between both. The common part would be double shaded because intersection you want. So if I have to get A dash intersection B dash, it would be the horizontal black lines for A dash and vertical blue lines for B dash, and the common portion, and you see it would be the same as this. That is De Morgan's first law, which we have justified by drawing Venn diagram. The second law by De Morgan is A intersection B dash is A dash union B dash, and I want all of you to draw the diagram for it and understand. A intersection B dash is A dash union B dash. Draw the Venn diagram for that and understand how De Morgan's second law can be justified. Yes, thank you.